Hey there, travel enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the tropical paradise of Franklyn D Resort and Spa, nestled in the heart of Runaway Bay, Jamaica. This all-inclusive family haven is about to show us why it's a top pick for those seeking sun, sand, and unforgettable memories. So grab your virtual sunscreen and let's explore this Caribbean gem. Let's start with the accommodations, shall we? Franklyn D Resort and Spa doesn't mess around when it comes to space. We're talking suites that'll make you feel like you've stumbled into a luxurious home away from home. Picture this, 1, 2, and 3 bedroom suites that are so roomy, you might just get lost trying to find your way to the balcony. These aren't your average hotel rooms. They're more like apartments with a Caribbean twist. Each suite comes with a fully equipped kitchen or kitchenette, perfect for whipping up a quick snack or a full-blown family feast. And let's not forget the views. Whether you're overlooking lush gardens, sparkling pools, or the endless blue of the Caribbean Sea, you're in for a treat. The decor? Think Spanish colonial charm meets modern comfort. Terracotta roofs, arch loggias, and stone balustrades on the outside. Inside, you've got all the creature comforts like air conditioning, flat-screen TVs, and Wi-Fi to keep you connected. If you really must check your emails in paradise. The bathrooms are stocked with all the toiletries you need, so you can leave that extra suitcase at home. And here's a pro tip. If you're traveling with the whole clan, go for the 3-bedroom suite. It's like having your own private villa within the resort. Now let's talk grub, because what's a vacation without some mouth-watering meals? Franklyn D Resort and Spa has got you covered with not 1, not 2, but 3 restaurants to satisfy your cravings. The main restaurant is where you'll find a smorgasbord of delights from sunrise to sunset. Breakfast? They've got everything from fresh tropical fruits to hearty Jamaican specialties that'll fuel you up for a day of adventure. Lunch and dinner are a globetrotter's dream, with international cuisine rubbing shoulders with local delicacies. And for the kiddos? Don't worry, there are plenty of familiar favorites to keep even the pickiest eaters happy. But here's where it gets interesting. The resort also boasts a premium bar that's not messing around. We're talking top-shelf spirits and cocktails that'll make you forget all about your 9 to 5 back home. The bartenders here are like mixology magicians, whipping up concoctions that taste like liquid sunshine. And let's not forget the rum. This is Jamaica, after all. They've got rich, smooth rums that'll have you sipping slow and savoring every drop. For those lazy pool days, there are snack bars dotted around the resort, ensuring you're never more than a few steps away from a tasty bite or refreshing drink. And the best part? It's all included in your stay, so you can indulge to your heart's content without worrying about the bill at the end of your trip. Speaking of pools, let's dive into the aquatic wonderland that is Franklyn D Resort and Spa. This place doesn't just have 1 pool, it's got 4. That's right, for pools to splash, swim, and soak in. But wait, there's more. One of these pools features the piece de resistance, Big Blue, a 100-foot water slide that'll have both kids and adults squealing with delight. It's like having your own private water park right in the resort. The pools cater to everyone, from tots taking their first paddle to adults looking for a peaceful float. And let's not forget the beach. While it might not be the widest stretch of sand in Jamaica, it's a slice of paradise. The calm waters of Runaway Bay are perfect for a leisurely swim or some beginner snorkeling. Picture yourself lounging on a sunbed, the warm Caribbean breeze rustling through the palm trees, as attentive staff bring you refreshing drinks and snacks right to your spot on the sand. It's the kind of beach day dreams are made of. For the more adventurous types, the resort offers kayaking and other water sports, so you can get your adrenaline fix while soaking up the sun. And don't worry about bringing your own gear. They've got you covered with all the equipment you need to make a splash. Now let's talk activities, because Franklyn D Resort and Spa is all about keeping you entertained from dawn to dusk. For the fitness buffs, there's a small but well-equipped gym where you can keep up with your workout routine. Or start a new one, we won't judge. If you prefer your exercise with a side of competition, hit up the basketball court or tennis court for a friendly match. But let's be real, you're on vacation, so maybe it's time to treat yourself to some serious relaxation. The spa at Franklyn D is ready to pamper you into a state of bliss. While they keep their treatment menu close to the chest, gotta maintain some mystery, right? You can bet your bottom dollar they offer all the classics. Massages that'll turn you into human putty, body treatments that'll leave your skin glowing like a Caribbean sunset, and facials that'll have you looking 10 years younger. Results may vary, but hey, you'll feel like $1,000,000. And let's not forget the cultural experiences. The resort often hosts themed nights and live performances that'll give you a taste of Jamaica's rich heritage and vibrant music scene. It's like a crash course in Jamaican culture, minus the homework and with plenty of rum punch. But what really sets Franklyn D Resort and Spa apart is their commitment to family fun. This place is a kid's paradise, and they've got the programs to prove it. First up, let's talk about the crown jewel of their family offerings, the Vacation Nanny service. That's right, folks, each family gets their very own nanny for the duration of their stay. It's like having Mary Poppins on call, minus the flying umbrella. These nannies are the real deal, trained professionals who'll keep your little ones entertained, safe, and happy while you sneak off for some adult time. And speaking of entertainment for the kiddos, the kids club here is off the charts. We're talking daily activities that'll make your children forget all about their tablets and video games. Crafts, outdoor games, treasure hunts, you name it, they've got it. There's even a playground and special kids pools for the little water babies. And for the teens who are too cool for the kiddie stuff, no worries. There are activities geared towards the older crowd too, like basketball tournaments and teen-only hangout spots. It's like the resort has thought of everything to keep the whole family happy, from toddlers to grandparents and everyone in between. Now, let's venture beyond the resort gates, because Runaway Bay has some gems you won't want to miss. Just a stone's throw away, you've got the Green Grotto Caves, a labyrinth of limestone caverns with a history as rich as the island itself. Legend has it that pirates used to hide their booty here. So who knows, you might stumble upon some long-lost treasure. A short drive will take you to Puerto Seco Beach, a pristine stretch of sand that's like stepping into a postcard. And for the foodies out there, Sharky's Seafood Restaurant is a local institution that's well worth the short trip. But here's the kicker. You don't even need to leave the resort to soak up some history. Runaway Bay itself is steeped in tales of Columbus landing and early Jamaican history. It's like having a history lesson, but with better views and cocktails. And if you're feeling adventurous, the resort can hook you up with excursions to nearby attractions. From snorkeling trips to diving adventures that'll have you exploring the colorful underwater world of the Caribbean. So, what's the verdict on Franklyn D Resort and Spa? Well, if you're looking for a family-friendly slice of paradise that combines luxury with laid-back vibes, you've hit the jackpot. The Spacious suites are a game changer, especially for families who need room to spread out. The all-inclusive model means you can leave your wallet in the safe and focus on making memories. The food gets solid reviews, with enough variety to keep your taste buds happy throughout your stay. And let's not forget the star of the show, that Vacation Nanny service. It's a unique offering that sets Franklyn D apart from the pack and gives parents the chance to actually relax on their vacation. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.